Are you looking for a vegan queso fresco recipe? I want to show you how easy it is to make one, and you won't even need a stove. The ingredients are 1 cup of raw almonds, a pinch of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of refined coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and some additional water for hydrating the almonds. Start by hydrating the almonds with water overnight. The next day, drain the water and remove the skins. The words queso fresco translates to fresh cheese in English. Therefore, most cheese in Mexico is actually queso fresco because the majority of the cheese in the country is not aged. What most of us outside of Mexico know by this name is called queso ranchero in Mexico, translated to ranch-style cheese, which is typically made using very fresh milk and a coagulant, a very simple cheese. Add everything in a food processor or a blender and blend until you get a smooth consistency. Make sure to stop and scrape the sides as needed. This might take a while. I've tried using several different plant-based milks and coagulated them, but unfortunately, I was not able to get that same flavor. Instead, I have found that using the entire almond was able to produce the closest to that creamy flavor. Mold, cover, and place in the fridge overnight. This will give you a smooth cheese. This is optional, but if you want a more crumbly texture, bake at 350 degrees for 7 minutes. As a child, this was the cheese that my mom always made using very fresh cow milk from our own cows. So I'm really happy to finally have a vegan version that anyone can make at home. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite dish to add queso fresco to is. And if you're looking for another vegan cheese recipe, I will make sure to leave one here. Buen provecho.